Let's continue. In logistics, calculating shipping volume for balikbayan boxes and cargo. In construction, measuring cement in cylindrical containers or storage silos. Problem-solving strategy. Identify the shape of the object. Then measure the required dimensions, the length, the width, height, radius, diameter. Choose the correct formula for volume. Substitute values and compute. And then convert units if necessary. For example, cubic centimeter to liters. Example, a water tank is shaped like a cylinder with radius 0.5 meter and height 2 meters. So the formula V is equals to pi r squared. Substitute the given data, the radius and the height, and knowing pi is 3.1416, the answer is 1.57 cubic meters. And then since 1 cubic meter is equal to 1,000 liter, the tank's capacity is 1,570 liters. Importance of understanding volume and capacity helps us in resource management, avoiding overflow or shortage. Letter B ensures efficiency in packaging, transport, and storage. Promotes practical decision making in everyday activities like cooking, gardening, and home organization. Practice problems for our Quarter 3 Measurement and Geometry Lesson Roman numeral number 6, Calculating Volume and Capacity of Three-Dimensional Objects in Daily Life. Practice problem number 1. A water tank is in the shape of a cylinder with a radius of 2 meters and a height of 4 meters. Find its volume. So we are given radius 2 meters, height 4 meters. We are required to determine volume. So our solution, the formula to use is V is equals to pi r squared times the height. Substituting the given data, our final answer is 50.24 cubic meters. Number 2. A cube-shaped rice container has edges of 0.5 meter each. Calculate its volume. So we required the edge side A is equal to 0.5 meter. Required the volume. So our solution, the formula to use is V is equal to A cubed. Substitute the edge A, zero point 0.5, and then meter. So the final answer is 0.125 cubic meters. A rectangular balikbayan box has dimensions 1.2 meters times 0.8 meter times 0.6 meter. Find its volume. So we are given L 1.2 meters, W 0.8 meter, H 0.6 meter. So required volume. So our solution, V is equals to L times W times the H. Substitute the given data. The answer is 0.576 cubic meters. So the final answer is 0.576 cubic meter. Number 4. A spherical water tank has a diameter of 3 meters. What is its capacity? So we're given the diameter is 3 meters and then the radius is 1.5 meters. So required volume. So solution, the formula is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. And substitute the given data. The answer is 14.13 cubic meter. So the final answer is 14.13 cubic meter. Though the one required is capacity. So if the capacity is the one being asked, then convert that into liters using appropriate conversion table. Practice problem number 5. A cone-shaped container has a radius of 0.7 meter and a height of 1.2 meters. Find its volume. So we're given radius 0.7 meter, height 1.7 meter. Required volume. So the formula for volume, V is equals to 1/3 pi r squared times height. That is for the cone. Substitute now the given data and the final answer is 0.62 cubic meter. Number 6. A cylindrical drum has a height of 1.5 meters and a diameter of 1 meter. Find its capacity in cubic meters. So we're given height 1.5 meters, D 1 meter, and of course the radius is 1/2 of 1 meter, which is 0.5 meter. Our required is the volume. And our solution, V is equals to pi r squared times the height. Substitute now the data. Our final answer is 1.18 cubic meters. Number 7. A fish pond is modeled as a rectangular prism measuring 5 meters by 3 meters by 2 meters. What is its volume? So we are given L 5 meters, W 3 meters, H 2 meters. So we are required to obtain the volume. So as solution, the formula to use is V is equals to length times width times the height. Substitute the given data. Our final answer is 30 cubic meters. Number 8. A cylindrical rice silo has a radius of 1.8 meters and a height of 6 meters. Find its volume. So our radius is 1.8 meters, H is 6 meters. We are asked to obtain the volume. The formula to use is V is equals to pi r squared times the height. Substituting the given data, our final answer is 61.06 cubic meters. Number 9. A rectangular water trough measures 3 meters long, 0.5 meter wide, and 0.6 meter deep. Find its capacity. So we are given L 3 meters, W 0.5 meters, H 0.6 meters. So we are asked to obtain the volume. So the formula that we're going to use is V is equals to L times W times the height. And substitute the given data, the final answer is 0.9 cubic meter. Number 10. A cone-shaped funnel has a height of 0.9 meter and a base diameter of 0.6 meter. Find its volume. So we're given h 0.9 meter, diameter 0.6 meter, where we can get r to be 0.3 meter. So required the volume. Our solution, the formula to use is V is equals to 1/3 pi r squared times the height for the cone. And substituting the given data, our final answer is 0.085 cubic meters. Number 11. A cubic storage container has an internal edge length of 2 meters. Find its volume. So we are given the edge A 2 meters and then required the volume. The solution, the formula for a cube is V is equal to edge A cube. Substitute now the given data and the final answer is 8 cubic meters. Number 12. A cylindrical tank has a radius of 1.2 meters and a height of 3 meters. Find its volume in cubic meters. So we're given R 1.2 meters, H 3 meters. Required the volume. So the formula to use is V is equals to pi r squared times the height. Substitute now the given data. Our final answer is 13.57 cubic meters. And practice problem number 13. A balikbayan box measures 100 centimeters by 50 centimeters by 40 centimeters. What is its capacity in cubic meters? So our length is 100 centimeter and in meter that's 1 meter. Our width is 50 centimeter and that is 0.5 meter. Our height is 40 centimeter and in terms of meter, that's 0.4 meter. Using our conversion, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So required volume. The formula to use is V is equals to L W times H. Substitute the given data. Our final answer is 0.2 cubic meters. Practice problem number 14. A spear-shaped container has a radius of 0.75 meter. Find its volume. So required, our radius is 0.75 meter. That's the given. The required is the volume. And use the formula for spear. V is equals to 4/3 pi r cubed. Substitute now the given data. The final answer is 1.77 cubic meters. We will have the next part of our lesson, Quarter 3, Measurement and Geometry, Lesson Roman numeral number 6.